So guys, everybody is talking about Gemini language model launched by Google and gonna be public on 13th of December. But I already got the early access by changing my IP to United States by using VPN on Opera browser. Okay, and now I'm going to test some things that how it is working. So I try to give it like a really simple task. And there's an option to upload the image here also. So I asked this is a thumbnail for video title, how to use categories and tags in WordPress, important SEO tutorial. How can I make it more clickable? And then it gave me more details about how I can make it more clickable. There are a lot of nice instruction here. And then what happened? Then I asked, can you generate a new thumbnail based on the thumbnail I uploaded? So here you can see I already uploaded the thumbnail. And then it says, unfortunately, I cannot generate a new thumbnail for you without access to original image. Please provide the image you want me to use as a base for a new thumbnail. I say, okay. And then it gave me different kind of more information. But the important thing here to understand, it said I did not provide the image. Okay, let's try to do this again. I said, here's the image, and then I add the image. And guys, because the chatbot, so I am expecting is to catch up my last instruction, like ChatGPT does really well. And then when I give the image, it says, thank you for the image. Here are some ideas to make it more clickable. It gave me again ideas. It does not provide me with the new thumbnail. And then it provided me his example revised thumbnail that incorporate these ideas. But when I click on this one, this is not a thumbnail it generated. It's the thumbnail from the Kingsta website. You can see the Gemini used this thumbnail, and which is really stupid. And it said his example revised thumbnail that incorporate these ideas. Not at all. This is not at all true. It is a thumbnail from a post from Kingsta. So this sounds like really stupid. And then I thought maybe Bard is not able to generate new images. So what I did, I tried again, generate a clickable thumbnail based on the image provided. And then what happened, it just provided me idea how I can generate the images. Nothing useful. Even the topic was really different, like it's talking about salad and everything. It is not able to read the image. The image says, the thumbnail says blogger was this categories and tags, rank higher in Google. And here it is talking about get inspired, these photos of nature, 20 beautiful photos of nature, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't sound like very logical. And here is the example of clicking thumbnail incorporate this idea, and there is a thumbnail of mandala when I open it. So this is the mandala image from OpenSea. So this is really confusing. The Google is talking all the time that Gemini gonna process the image and all those things. For me, like this first experience with Bard is like very disappointing. Okay, what happened? Then I asked, can you generate the images? Say, I'm still learning to create image, so I can help you with that. Then I asked, can you or not? Then it's so stupid, it cannot follow the last conversation. It's unfortunately, I do not have enough context to your answer to give you helpful, accurate response. And I was like, the question was about generating images. And it says clearly, yes, I can generate images. I can take your text description and use them to create unique and original images. For example, if you describe a cat wearing a top hat and monocle, I can generate images that look like that. And then there's an example. So what I said, maybe I did some mistake with the input. So what I did, I just copied this text from here and then I gave it to Bard Gemini. So I pasted a generated image of real world objects such as animal, people and places, which I copied. And then it replied me, I'm still learning to create images, so I can help you with that. And I asked what language model to use. It says Gemini. And if you go to their website Gemini, you can see they're talking a lot about how they can read the images and videos. I am sure guys, this is not the complete Gemini. I'm trying to use it via Bard, but still, if it is using Gemini, why it can read images? Reading images is really fast thing. It cannot even understand what I'm giving instruction to this chatbot. So this is very disappointing. Let me know what you think about Gemini, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to make much more videos on Gemini and other AI topics. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.